So we are still here at Denver. I'm here with some beautiful, beautiful princesses here. You are royals, right?
Yeah.
And you know that you're powerful, right?
Yeah.
Good. Okay, I want you all to sing one local song for me. Okay.
I want the pool.
Uh-huh.
I know that song. I know that song. I know that song.
Uh-huh. Wow. You guys sing Kim Paluto song here in Denver? Okay. Who can sing that song for me too? Who else can sing that song? Okay. Any other song? Okay. Sing it for me. Hold on.
Fresh and quiet. Spit on my face.
It's not on my way, so no.
Tell me Yashira, Yashio. Mamia, Miss Machema.
Wow.
Yashira,
Nah, she won't.
Miss Machema, Miss Machema.
Wow.
Yes, it
I see.
That's it.
That's it? Okay. Wow. You guys are doing so good. I'm enjoying this discussion now. So I want you to tell me your local language. Okay, speaking local language for me. I'm going to ask your names in local language, okay? Then you tell me. What's your name?
Annabelle.
Annabelle? Okay. What's the friend saying?
Anaya.
Nanaya. Now say.
Primrose.
Okay.
Nana.
Nana. And I say.
Eleanor.
Okay. Now say.
I'm Elsie.
Elsie. Now, obi ani chidi wa hanom. Obi ani chidi mu ni chidi bia wa hanom. It's no me pese me no mudi nkomo na bi say o me say o muti chia. Because you see entry am brand interested in crowd bit me fechi. But oh, when bit me akachi ga kra see. Okay. Chiben ana bit me aka. Chiben pa na yo de. Okay, Pacho, what is the meaning in English?
I'm good. How are you?
That is so cool. Okay. You two tell me.
The power Yohue.
To say, okay, that's so nice. Wow.
You can say something. Yeah, say something.
Okay, who wants to say something?
I want to say something.
Nanaya, you want to say something? Okay, say something.
Yeah, say something.
Who? Nanaya, say something. Say something.
Say something.
What do you want to say?
Yamado, Yum swear.
Nyamiadu now swear. What is the meaning of that?
It means I'm doing great. I'm doing great. You?
And you? That is so good. Can you guys give her a round of applause, please? That's so nice. Okay, you two tell me yours. What do you want to say?
In
Yeah, in Chi.
Chi?
Yep. Anything in Chi. Bless you. Okay, what's the meaning of that in English?
Are you okay?
Wow. Okay, use your own. Want to say something? Okay, what else do you want to say?
Nobody knows me like you.
Okay, that is an English.
Gosh.
Oh, that's good though. That's good. You like that song, right? Okay, what else? What song do you want to sing again? And that's it. So I want you all to always try and then learn Chi in the house, okay? Try and practice the language with your parents, all right? Okay, so I'll leave you alone. What do you have to say to Uncle Asenso? My name is Asenso. So what do you have to say to me right now after having a conversation with you? What do you want to tell me?
Thank you for having us.
Okay, thank you also for accepting to speak to me, okay? I'm so proud of you all, okay? What do you want to say?
Thank you. And today is going to be good.
Nana Chame. China Nana Chame, send them crannies to catch you. I said I was looking for.
You are down with I just say, I'm not a pain. I'm new old Cassassin. The woman said, the Korea, what come one boom see it. me big join Ukraine, me tia say a mo di man say ye chere ye nchiri ma no. Ga mamre ni amanye. Esremo. Media ye on try some of them kwala na beba na di ntia mo se mo ye saa de na chere wo mo. Ye hu sampa nkwala na wa. Se nkwala ni ha, I think say de mo kika ni nyina na che say de nkontompo. Bi na wokan. Se you see that the foundation you in see me here you see cost be bebu
correct.
So amamre ni am fan kire nkwala no so you see omu we mu no omo ye daachi ahemfo daachi ahemafo ntisi an kire omo a ebi atom ntuma no kra me nim fra na je asa no so me nim asa
e be kire
a problem man me hu say I was saying cause I'm in nim sa de ni na fe na obekire
na e be kire wo de
but the person say nkwala no on form mumra na entre omo kasa no ni bibia no omu nsua na se bi tu no a wa meye betom ntimisra mo wa kan ya ti ira adama said the abusua ne se no so panimfo mi enu na ye chia me na na tepa ne ba ha bibia ba jin so ya na kasa no omu nsua to adama ebu so mo anofo a ma ye nche wo mo ye fa ye nyi wo mo e mo mu nya amane but nke mo mu nya amane a nko mo sua bibia fi no esa de bi o mbekọ so ay mistake na do panyin se kwa mo we de on na so chere mo nzi wa ntimi an chere mo a e be mo e bi a chin de bia na se mo anya bia mbekọ so ay se mo se mo fa ho nto beti ama na mo mu wa se akụkọ kaka o de krama ka o de radio na eje nzi wo do radio eje
adama say yesusu yekunu ni o Yes, you share man amamre it's no and Denver every people Denver ha no mommy na your friend say
From Agata.
Agata when I would share and cray amamre sa nice one
Throw my mamre.
is it and not true that is true okay oh papa but where him oh nice one wow number was a friend say
Nana free.
I'm not free. Wow. Now what did you crack? Okay, nice. But I was a friend say
Nana Hima.
Nana Hima. That's a nice name. I don't say
Nana Anima.
Nana Anima. Wow. What your friend say?
I don't know.
What's your name?
From Rose.
Mels? Mama, right? Okay. What's your name? What's your name? Your name? Okay. And I was a friend say
Annabelle Kwanadu.
Adepakunadu. That's a
Annabelle Kwanadu.
that's a nice, no, beautiful. Now, what do you feel saying? How old are you?
5.
5. Is it 5 too? Is it and Sana? What y'all gonna do tonight? Tell me about tonight.
We're going to dance.
Y'all gonna dance? Whoa, what kind of dance is that?
I don't know what it's called.
Wow. Now Ghana culture the same as Bolivar. China Diana. That would be a chief. I want to make her. I didn't think that China I want to make her because one can fear and
We normally speak English.
okay. You guys normally speak English, especially with your friends, and then also. Okay. Wow. So what do you like about the Ghana culture? Do you like the outfit that you're wearing tonight?
Yeah.
Are you happy wearing this kind of outfit?
Yes.
Wow. Will you like to show these pictures to your friend in school?
Yeah.
That's cool. Okay. Wow. I'm so happy to have you here. So also, what did you say?
May 8.
Wait, 8. Nice. What school are you?
St. Helens.
Okay. That's so nice. Now you're from Mommy say. What's your mom's name? You're from Mommy say.
Anita.
Anita. Anna Papa say.
50.
Fifi. That's so nice. How to him from?
London.
London. Oh, Aurora, all right? Oh, nice one. You guys, you look so nice. I'm so happy to have you here. It's and then more new members to check me now. Ghana, you better move to. Or you better at Tremo. Huh? What? That what dance? You wanna give me a freestyle? Okay, just give me a freestyle. Come on. You want a freestyle? Uh-huh. So did him for Denver. Or he needed him is a bit from. Then I will present an unknown name. Nkunya, what is you more in your mouth?
Young Cray, a warm Cromoino. A Cassano. Or more, all canon also cabrofo. Now, a crabby catcher may say, so I can't cheer the broth no nya sentana. Nam so there be say any accent na ewo no e twi na ye kanuntina ye wa accent so there be yes anete me ye wo me Africa into no twi na ye me first language into na me ka me wa accent no so no so tua twi na o camera for na be perfect by the be an the twi no nya accent to me we say ye ma no say ye say ye try mo twi no as second language I'm very interested. It's no they see many so they toss me no see many so they say yeah ye ne teacher for be edi juma or Ghana say e bet me aboabo e man no be a Saturdays say 1 hour cry na e devoted say omo ba be so atwa e did say omo benya interest because omo tu eska kosua Spanish omo tu eska kosua German second language omo pick second language nti ye kasa na already no much that no say to me I do baby am mo call no kosua e did say be they toss me and so education ya say OTUMFOUR our mobile library how they van call class edi books command cra you may you more opportunity say or books easily na say omo read the book na we be 1 or 2 days no read the book na we
wow
na oja to you know you vision back where say you be book drive no every quarter bia na say end of every school year bia no it's books na like I said na you free omo onye free na mo read we na you abeye adeso ma o parents need know every end of school year bia they see and so they say the beans and as a box is basically sorry no be Ghana for a gather bia no na the books now wo fi na sabi enkra na read there no betuma yen enim se betumi a collect enya papa wo so dia koma ye mane enu am mo fi no mo so e dey read.
Wow. Book points in very, 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 very good. And it's a step in the right direction. Now, second one, very, you know, about now, what say, set it up, this kind of hives, classes for, tell me about it. How do you see the said they be a bit me and Chi language, how feasible it is?
Very easy, and I say it's be a try say me find say language idea is so and na said him say your mindset be say oh treat easy and easy we say obeto ase the work can o kofa we bra ko sense you mama ko when the tree kasa no be respond or the brofo be respond as what the can say then so to get them to speak the tree language and a problem.
Okay.
You say nipa no comfortable so asem obeka no. Or can a but then say adebia na obi devote to ne ho so obesua no. Eden a wo hu. And no hu so the year adwuma. Na mom so nipa no ni resources na say oni opportunity say obeka kosua. E better no osua.
Okay.
Ye ne mom ekatwi no ofie de. Na mom wo baby a we dedicated say once a week and once a week you go no so obeba besua. Eden na ordinary better from no osua ni.
So we are still here at Denver. I'm here with some beautiful princesses here. You are royals, right?
Yeah.
And you know that you're powerful, right?
Yeah.
Good. Okay, I want you all to sing one local song for me. What? Okay.
I want the boom.
Uh-huh.
I know that song. I know that song. I know that song.
Uh-huh. Wow. You guys sing Kim Paluto song here in Denver? Okay. Who can sing that song for me too? Who else can sing that song? Okay. Any other song? Okay. Sing it for me. Hold on.
Fresh and quiet, Spit on my face.
It's not on my way, so no.
Tell me Yashira, Yashio. Mamia, Miss Machema.
Wow.
Yashira,
Nah, she won't.
Miss Machema, Miss Machema.
Wow.
Yes, it does.
I see.
That's it.
That's it.